Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact folder and making a quick backup. Make sure your backup is complete so you can recover files. Next, decide the locking method, built-in encryption, a passworded archive, or a trusted third-party app, and gather any required admin passwords or installer files. Once done, confirm you have sufficient disk space and administrative rights. I'll walk you through a common, secure sequence so you lock the folder without losing access or corrupting files. Now you execute the chosen method step by step. On Windows, turn on BitLocker or compress to a passworded 7-zip archive and set a strong passphrase. On Mac OS, create an encrypted disk image and drag the folder inside. If using third-party software, install it, select AES 256 if available, set a complex password, and apply it to the folder. After encryption, verify the folder opens only with the password. Make sure to store the recovery. Finish by verifying access. Unlock and open the folder yourself, then try from a different account or machine to confirm protection. Save the recovery key offline and consider a password manager so you don't lose the passphrase. Once locked, review folder permissions and remove any temporary files. If something fails, check permission settings, reinstall or update the encryption tool, or restore the backup and repeat the process. This single troubleshooting tip, use the backup to recover if encryption fails, keeps you safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.